In this video we're going to be solving some logarithmic equations, and the first one's fairly straightforward. We're just going to use the definition of a log to solve it. So starting with that definition, we're going to go that 4 is equal to x squared, and then we're going to take the square root of both sides, and so therefore x will be equal to plus or minus 2 in the first instance. But then we need to realise that minus 2 is not possible, because you can't have a negative base, so x must be equal to 2. Now the second question we've got here, we need to solve for x, so we're going to use the log laws to help us here, and on the left hand side we're going to combine those using the product rule. So we're going to make that log of 3 lots of x minus 2, and on the right hand side we're going to use the third rule, the power rule, to make that log 2 to the power of 3. So now we've got a single log on both sides, we can say that 3x, let me just put a set of brackets back in there. So 3 lots of x minus 2 is equal to 8. So 3x minus 6 is equal to 8. So 3x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 on 3. Or we could even write that as 4 2/3. And this is the last in this video. This time we need to make y the subject, and we've got log y equals 2 subtract 2 log x cubed. So what we're going to do is rearrange this to get our log terms on one side and our number term on the other, and then we're going to use the definition of a log. So this becomes log y plus 2 log x cubed, that's when we add that to both sides, equals 2. So now we can, well, before we combine these, we should use that power rule to get the log of, remember the 2 will come up and become a power, and it will be 2 times 3, which is 6. So now we'll combine those using the first of the log laws, the product one. So it's the log of yx to the power of 6 is equal to 2. And so now using the definition of a log, and since there's no base mentioned, it is implied that it's base 10. So y times x to the 6 is equal to 10 to the power of 2, which is 100. So y is equal to 100 divided by x to the power of 6.